Hi, Mayor Tyler with a COVID-19 update. The provincial government has released their phased reopening strategy to carefully and gradually lift COVID-19 restrictions on Albertans, and I, like many of you, am glad that there is hope on the horizon. While most are excited to finally get their hair professionally cut and access other services, we need to remain patient and cautious as we move forward. We're still not out of the woods with COVID-19, and rushing to reopen without keeping public health restrictions in mind could seriously backfire. If the city immediately relaxes its stance on current closures, or if we stop taking public health measures seriously, modeling points to a deadly resurgence of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, more than ever, it's critical that we keep our guard up and continue to act in the best interests of the community as a whole. We know this is hard, especially with summer on the way. Canada is a land of many freedoms, and we have grown accustomed to going about our business without being restricted. The payoff for doing so, however, is seeing our beloved friends and family make it through. The province's staged reopening plan is certainly a breath of fresh air, but its success depends on the patience of all Albertans as we wait to see how the infection curve holds during stage 1 of the plan. To help keep you updated on how the reopening plan affects Wetaskiwin, we have set up a dedicated reopening page on our COVID-19 portal. Visit wetaskiwin.ca/COVID-19 for details. Some scenarios require the city to interpret the provincial guidelines and find a balance between public safety and equitable access to public spaces. These decisions are not easy to make, and not everyone will be happy with them. We know many in the community are upset about the decision to close the basketball and tennis courts. Again, we aren't going to agree on every decision, but I ask you to understand that we are making decisions we firmly believe will help protect all of our community members from possible infection. The COVID-19 numbers in Wetaskiwin are remarkably low because of our collective efforts. Let's continue to protect each other. Please respect the city's guidelines. The criteria we use to make these decisions is outlined in the city's public spaces decision tree, which can be found at wetaskiwin.ca/COVID-19. This document may provide insight on why one public space is closed while others remain open. Please continue to be patient as we all learn more about the relaunch strategy. Continue to practice good hygiene and maintain physical distancing. Our journey to recover has now begun, but our success relies on everyone's willingness to continue following all public health orders. As the leader of this community, I am proud of the way Wetaskiwinites have supported each other throughout this unprecedented time. We've seen no local deaths due to COVID and only 8 cases total so far. This is a huge success and should be celebrated, at a safe distance, of course. So thank you to every one of you for your part in protecting our community. Our weekly COVID-19 community report will be sent out early this evening, so if you've signed up for the COVID notifications through our website, you'll receive that shortly. It will also be shared to our social media, so you can find it there as well. Thanks again for all your efforts. Slowly but surely, we are getting there. Be kind. Take care.